My very first palm stone. I didn't know that it would become such a thing with me, palm stones. This one attracted me because of the colors and the vibration. That's how I choose all of the crystals for my own collection and for my shop. Kammerite. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. It is deep purple. Reminds me of, and in this moment it feels like it is connecting me more clearly, more personally and intimately with the violet flame. I love that. So burning off what is unnecessary, unwanted, and even burning off stuff from before that no longer needs to be with me or around me or even within me. The black reminds me of black tourmaline, the black bands. It's not black tourmaline, that the color and the vibration are absorbing unwanted energies and protecting me from psychic attack. I'm not feeling it, nor am I sensing it or expecting it. Still, there is free-floating energy everywhere, right? Just like the air and the butterflies and dragonflies and these cute little bugs that are just part of summer. So what happens when you hold a palm stone? For me, it is about absorbing, infusing, allowing and inviting energies to flow into, within, and through me. Into my left hand, and out my right. So it's like a cleansing cycle. Now, if I were sitting and meditating, I would hold this beautiful piece of Kammerite in both hands, and it would do like an energy transfusion. Energy coming in through the left, moving out through the right, back through the stone, and cycling through. And I would hold it probably for about 5, 10, 15 minutes, and then make sure I absolutely create a thought. Oh gracious, I just lost it. Something about creating different energy before, before cleansing it. How do I cleanse it? I have a great big huge piece of selenite, and I'll put it right next to the selenite, and today I will leave it there for several hours and then put it back into my basket of palm stones. Palm stones are really amazing, and that's my personal opinion. I don't even know how many I have. I really need to, well, I don't need to, but I'd like to share my basket with you soon. You can see how many are in there. All right, beautiful soul, come by, check out our crystal boutique, ours meaning the angels, the crystals, and mine, and we'll see you again soon.